Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by mapping the syllabus so you know what to prioritize. Focus first on micro and national income basics. Once done, collect one trusted textbook, class notes, and a couple of concise PDFs for quick reference. Make sure to schedule a 45 to 60-minute study block today. Use it to read definitions and mark 3 core concepts you don't understand. This immediate momentum prevents delay and creates clear targets for your next session. Now convert textbook theory into simple, local examples so concepts stick. Think market for notebooks or local services. Once you grasp a concept, draw the diagram and solve 10 mixed questions covering definitions, short answers, and a numerical to test depth. Make sure to use active recall. Write a 5-minute summary from memory after each session, then schedule spaced reviews every 3 days. This combination builds conceptual clarity and exam-ready problem speed. Finish by condensing each chapter into a 1-page cheat sheet containing formulas, key graphs, and 3 exemplar sentences. This makes last-minute revision efficient. Once done, simulate exam timing with at least 1 timed mock paper, then refine your answers using marking expectations. If you get stuck, troubleshoot by listing weak topics and assigning 2 focus sessions per week to them. If a concept still fails, ask your teacher or a peer and rework examples until you can teach it back confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.